there! In this video, I will show you the words, about 50 words that are essential to speak in English. They are pretty much easy words, and I just want to show you how to pronounce them and give some examples. Alright, so let's get started. Okay, so here are our words. I will pronounce them one by one, and then we will construct a sentence or sentences using those words, so you can see how it is actually simple and easy to speak English by knowing only that amount of words. Let's get started. I, you, he, she, they, we, be, do, does, have, has, come, go, eat, drink, like, love, hate, try, find, help, watch, speak, learn, begin, listen, understand, time, food, coffee, tea, want, need, can, must, at, with, from, for, to, in, what, when, why, where, who, how, doctor, police, student, teacher, and lawyer. The reason I chose these words because these words gonna help you to express yourself, to tell people what you want, or to tell people your thoughts, and so on. Before getting into examples, I want to mention you that we are sharing these videos in our blog website, which is cn-ls.org. Well, in our blog website, we are sharing our knowledge about English grammar, speaking English, vocabulary, and so on. We just want people to learn with us, to see that actually learning English isn't that hard. Our website is available in multiple languages, and we will add more languages later on. So far, English, Russian, and Turkish languages are available. For them, I will provide these words with translation, related translations in the link down below, or as a downloadable resources in our posts. Alright, let's continue. Here are some examples that I used those words in order to construct simple sentences. Let's see what are those sentences. Do you want to eat with me? You're asking someone, do you want to eat with me? For example, you want to ask your foreign friends that if he or she wants to eat with you. Do you want to eat with me? And all of the words that I'm using here are the words that I gave to you previously. Where are my students? I like my teacher. I am from Azerbaijan. How are you? How can I help you? If you are approaching someone and you want to ask him how or her, how can I help you? Or if you want to ask help from someone, you say, can you help me? I want to drink a coffee. You're going somewhere and you want to say that you want to drink a coffee. He needs a doctor. I don't understand you. If someone talks, or let's say if someone talks too fast, you say, I don't understand you. So now let's construct some more sentences to make it more clear for you. I like to drink a tea. Where are you? Or do you speak English? Or can I help you? You see, very simple. I'm not using anything outside of these words. You see, well, there are of course some words that you can add from your vocabulary. It's totally fine, but I just want to say that these words are just more than enough for you to try to speak at the basic level. I think this is clear for you now. If you have any question or feedback, or I don't know, any suggestion, you can always contact us or simply comment down below. So let us know your thoughts and we will be more than happy to help you. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe. And also I want to mention before saying goodbye that we have created our first course, which is called Easy English 1. You can find the link down below. We have actually created our own method or approach in learning English to make the learning the English grammar fun, easy and quick. That's why we have created our own method. If it's interesting for you to learn about the method, visit us at forkemsa.com. There you can find information about the course. Well, also additionally, we are offering you 30-day 100% money back guarantee. Plus, we are offering a discount for a limited time only. If you get it today, you will get a 30% discount on our course. Try it. If you don't like, or I don't know, if you see that you're not getting any result, in 30 days you can refund the course. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please let us know if you have any suggestion. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.